Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's Eva Evelyn. I'm back again with another video on nail care. After doing pedicure and applying polish on your nails, you need to take care of them, because if you don't, after a long time they look like whatever you can see on the picture, a lot of cuticles and dead skin around the nails. So we want to fix this, so stay tuned and subscribe. So I'm starting by filing my nails. I just want to file them and get a good shape, because I think they are growing and I need to fix these. So you can do this step, or you can decide not to do with it, and especially if you think you're going to mess up with the polish. Like, I'm very careful doing this because I don't want to mess up with the polish. I'm not yet done with it. Like, I just want to stay with it. I really love it. So I'll be doing that to all the toes. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share. And I'm so happy for the people who always turn in and just give me a comment, like, then others are sharing, the subscribers. I'm almost at 400 subscribers and I'm so happy. Then after that, I'm using cuticle gel. That is what I've used the blush to scoop. Then after that, I'll add bicarbonate of soda or baking soda. I put it on my hands. Then the blush has some cuticle gel. I just put some baking soda, and then I'm using that to clean the nails. Just cleaning the nails. So bicarbonate of soda enhances in the softening of the cuticles, and therefore, not cuticles, dead skin, sorry, dead skin. Then cuticle gel will enhance in the softening of the cuticles, and therefore some might get off, others will wait until the pedicure day. So I'll be doing this to both the legs, the left and the right leg. So that is why you can see me reapplying. I'm just mixing baking of soda and cuticle gel. That is what I'm using to clean my nails with, like you can see on the picture or on the video that I'm showing right now. Then I'm using a toothbrush, but it is a pedicure brush for me. That is what I use to just clean my nails. Yeah, so you can just set aside a brush for yourself to be using during your pedicure or your nail care. Yeah, just to clean the nails. It enhances in removal of that allowed the nails. Then after that, I'll be using homemade scrub to just scrub the nails, then rinse off and just ensure that I get rid of the dirt allowed the nails. So I'm using a toothpick to get the extra dead skin and dirt allowed the nails. So guys, subscribe if you have not subscribed, like, comment, let me know how do you clean your nails, how do you ensure that you take care of your nails to avoid even ingrown nails, because if you don't take care of your nails for so long, it rinses to ingrown nails. So let me know how you normally take care of them. So for me, this is the hack and this is my go-to. So I'll be doing this to both legs. So we clean until we are satisfied. Like we normally say in a DIY, you have to do everything until you are satisfied with whatever you are doing. So just do that. Yeah, so the toothpick is just to ensure that I get to the inner part of the nail that the blush could not be able to get into. That is what I'm doing. Then after I'm done, I'm going to use a new set of clean water just to rinse off the dirt. Then ensure that you dry your feet after that. So dry even in between the toes. Then I'm using lanolin. That is what I'm applying around my nails. Lanolin is so good to the cuticles and to the nails in general. So even the heel, if you have cracked heels, please, you can use lanolin to moisturize your legs and all that. So try it and you will thank me later. So I just moisturized, and this is the final step. So bye bye. Make sure that you subscribe. See you.